have this gorgeous Rumana Mola with us and she's gonna tell us कि उनके इरादा क्या है, आगे की future plans और उनकी upcoming movie जो है इरादा, उसके बारे में चलिए हम बात करते हैं उन्हीं से. So welcome to Filmy Matra.
Thank you so much. मेरा इरादा क्या है करियर के बारे में? Well, मेरा इरादा और एटलीस्ट ख्वाहिश यही है कि मैं अपर्णा सिंह जैसे डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम करूं because she was amazing and I'm not just saying that. I think she is one of the most wonderful people I've come across in my life. And obviously I don't know ऐसा मौका बार-बार मिलेगा कि नहीं, लेकिन नसीरुद्दीन शाह के साथ काम करना
His dream came true, right?
Dream come true, absolutely. I don't have any words. I mean, I could write an essay about that, about how it was to work with him, but yeah, that would be like a dream to work with him again.
Okay, so how the journey started?
Well, actually I'm from Belgium, but obviously I'm a Bengali by origin. My journey started when I was 7 because that's when I realized that I wanted to be an artist. So I used to dance a lot more in Belgium. So I'm a trained dancer and I've choreographed quite a few things as well. But I came to Mumbai right after I finished my graduation, and yeah, I've been doing ads. I've done Pyar Ka Panchnama too, and here I am looking forward to the release on 17th of Feb. I'm just plugging that in.
Okay, so as you said, you was there in Pyar Ka Panchnama. So how was your experience working with those guys?
It was a good experience actually. It was fun. And I was really keen on working with Mr. Lavranjan because he's someone that I had known from earlier, and I think he's one of the most amazing human beings I've come across. Not many people know that, but he's a very giving and selfless kind of person. So I was really happy to work with someone like that.
Okay, so now you are in Irada. So what is your character basically?
My character's name is Riya Walia, and I'm playing Mr. Nasiruddin Shah's daughter in the character. In the film, sorry, not in the character.
It's okay, it happens, yeah.
It happens, yeah. So yeah, I'm playing his daughter. I can't say much about my character because she's like the catalyst in a way. But there's a beautiful relationship between me and Nasir sir because I think the most beautiful part is that it kind of includes everything. There's every emotion in there. There's love. There's definitely like that how do I say? It's a little toxic as well because they have that relationship where they don't talk much, they don't communicate much, but there's a lot of love and affection that's there as well. So it was it's a beautiful character. When you see the film, you'll know.
Okay, so as you said so many things about your character, so who you admire the most in Bollywood?
Whom I admire most at this moment, Nasiruddin Shah.
Okay, apart from him.
Apart from him, I really like. I'm going a little blank right now. I like Radhika Apte's work a lot. I think she's a brilliant actress. She's doing really well. She's picking really gutsy characters and she's very confident.
Okay, that's nice. So who's your favorite actor then?
My favorite actor, I really like Nawazuddin Siddiqui. I think
he's amazing.
He's amazing. I just saw Baldapur right now, so he's like on my mind at this moment. But
what about Rais?
I saw Rais as well, I did. I saw Rais and I was blown away because he's just like a comedian. He transforms with each film. So I'm a big fan.
Okay, so what kind of genre you like the most, like romantic or comedy, rom-com?
It changes actually. I'm not really very consistent in that way. I used to like romantic films a lot when I was growing up, and now I think I'm veering more and more towards probably stories, just basic stories. Like I saw Dangal and I was like, wow. I didn't have words. I was just blown away by that film. I liked Rais as well. So I really any genre actually, as long as it's a beautiful story. Like Lunchbox had a beautiful story, and I was moved by it. So anything that just evokes any emotion, whether it makes you happy, sad, it makes you think, it makes you reflect upon your life, yourself, anything that brings an emotion in you.
That's great. Okay, so if not an actor, so what you could be today?
A dancer.
That's nice. Like, okay, so there are so many beats, Bharatnatyam, Western Indian. So what kind of dancer you know?
Well, actually, I'm trained in Bharatnatyam, tap, and jazz. So these
My
are the
God.
3 things that I know. But I love everything. I love any form of dancing as long as it's it's something that that's peppy and that's energetic. I have a lot of energy. I'm like that rabbit, that jumps all the time. So I need something that's really energetic. I really am like a bunny that way.
Okay, so which director and actor you would like to work with? Like, it's your dream project. With whom?
My dream project. I really like Zoya Akhtar. That would probably be a dream. I don't know. There's something about the way she speaks. I feel like she's a very that perfect combination of logic and heart at the same time. She's like a no nonsense kind of person, and I really like that about her. And yeah, so I'd love to work with someone like that. As far as actors go, as I said, I love Nawazuddin Siddiqui's work a lot. So that would be a dream, actually. Directed by Zoya Akhtar with Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Oh, so you got me. That's nice. Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Should I tell you the story as well? No,
Okay.
that's about it. I mean,
Okay, so as you know, your movie is coming on 17th Feb, and there is another clash with, Ghazi attack against Dharma. So, what do you want to say for this clashes? Because, don't you feel like somewhere it gets clear, like the box office it get affected because 2 movies come at same time and it becomes clash?
I don't really think so, because I think there have been many successful films that released the same day. Just now, this last Friday, there was Kabil and Raees. So I think there's a huge population in India, and I think if everybody went to watch a film of their choice, because people have different tastes. Some
Yeah.
people might. Irada is a thriller, so some people might like thriller, and I mean, there's a lot of people in India, and I think there's enough eyeballs for every film.
Okay, so as you said, Irada is thriller, and you did Pyar Ka Panchnaama, it was comedy. So, which one you enjoyed the most?
I enjoyed Irada more, not because of the genre, but because of the range that I got to portray. I just felt like for me, Irada was, as I said, all consuming. I felt like I got to really give a piece of myself, if I may say so, and that was the most enjoyable part. What I love the most about acting is when you can just forget yourself and leave yourself at home and dive into this new person. And I just really felt like my character is someone that I felt I really know. Like, if you tell me outside of the film, if you give me any context and tell me how would she react in that situation, I would be able to tell you. That's how well I felt I knew her. So I think that was the most amazing part about working in this film.
Wow, simply wow. Okay, so tell me how long it takes to, to get in that deep character.
I wouldn't be able to give you a time frame, because for me, I did a workshop with my director, and I think when we spoke, I immediately got who she was.
Wow.
Sometimes it might take you more time if there's other things involved, like, for example, if it's a different language, if it's a different dialect, if you have to physically. For me, I had to also work on my swimming, because my character is a swimmer. So that took me a lot of time. It took me some time to get the butterfly stroke and to really feel like a swimmer. That takes time. But to understand a character, it might happen in 2 seconds or 2 minutes, or it might take a month. So I think that's very subjective, and that depends on the character.
Okay. So every movie gives you, something they taught you, some lessons or something. So what do you learn from Irada?
As a person,
Yeah.
I learnt generosity, because working with Mr. Nasiruddin Shah, I felt like he was a very
giving person. I don't feel like he's there for himself. I feel like he's more focused on the art, on the craft, and he's protective of that. He's protective of the art being intact and being put across as well as possible. So I just felt like he has this undying enthusiasm. If there's a scene that clicks, he just has that childlike grin and excitement, and that just, I feel like his love for what he does is selfless, and I think that is a beautiful thing, and I want to imbibe that if possible.
Okay, so can you just share a few memories with you have, whatever you have with Irada, like shooting scenes?
Can I tell you about the first time I met Nasiruddin Shah?
Yeah,
Because
why
that's
not?
really hilarious. I don't know if he noticed or not, but I'm usually not very, I don't behave stupidly usually. But when I was introduced to him, he said hello and I said thank you.
Really?
And in my head, I was like, why did you just say thank you? He said hello. A normal person would say hello.
Yeah.
So that was really funny. And since I was feeling very shy, I just hope that he didn't notice. You know, it just went by, thank you. And I just hope he didn't hear me. I still don't know if he heard me or not. But yeah, that was really funny.
Okay, so if you got a chance to do someone's biopic, so whose biopic you would like to do?
Actually, there's a writer. Her name is Amélie Nothomb. As you know, I'm from Belgium. She's a French writer, and I would really love to do her biopic because I would like to discover her through. If somebody wrote her story, I would like to discover her because the kind of books that she writes are really twisted and weird, but entertaining and wonderful at the same time. So I'd really like to know what made her so twisted and what gives her those weird ideas. I mean, I really love her work. I find her quirky, funny, and intelligent, witty, and I'd really love to, yeah.
And what about Bollywood?
You mean an actress
Yeah.
whose biopic I'd like to do? An actress who has a fascinating life. Can I say Meenakshi Seshadri?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, I don't know why, but because I'm a dancer and I've always felt like she's such an amazing dancer. I don't know if you've seen her, but there's this dance that she did in Tere Payal Mere Geet, a movie that I probably am the only one to watch. But I don't know why her dancing just makes me feel like I want that. I want to dance like that. So I would just like to see her. I'm interested in her journey, like, you know, what makes such a fabulous artist, because she's fabulous. She's a great Damini, and somehow I always felt like she never got her due. Though she was a big star, but still I kind of felt like I would have loved to see more of her, and I would love to know what kind of journey she had.
Okay, so now as we know, we don't know much about you. So I want you to tell me, like, your memory when you're a kid or something, like how you know your family background and this thing.
Well, actually, I grew up with my mother. She was a single parent. And yeah, my memory is that my mother and me, we were like a unit. It was, it's gonna sound dramatic. Our life was not that dramatic, but it was us against the world, you know. Because I mean, when you're, it's two. Well, I was a girl, she was a woman, but it's two girls. So when you're growing up and there's no man in the house, I think there's that sense of you just really feel that strong bond. So my mother is like everything to me. She's very important to me. So yeah, I think that's about my family background. Yeah.
Okay, so what was your reaction when you came to know that you are casting for Irada?
I'm a little strange that way because I always have a late reaction to things. It's like whenever, if you tell me a big news, I'll be like, okay. And then 10 minutes later, oh my God. I don't know why. I just always react really late. So when I got the phone call, they just said, yes, you're Ria. I was like, oh, okay, great. Then I hung up. Then 10 minutes later, I was like, oh my god, and there was no one around me. So I was just like talking to myself. I was like, oh wow. And then I was like, okay, there's no one around me.
Okay. So what kind of man, attracts you? Like what you are looking for man, like perfect for you?
Uh, what kind of a man am I looking for? I'm not actually looking.
Yeah, but might be, yeah, in future. What qualities you'll see in him?
Loyalty, I feel like that's extremely important. Loyalty, honesty. I'm not really that much into looks. But yeah, I think just a sense of knowing what you want as well, that's very important to me, because I think that's, and a strong sense of self, I would say.
Okay, so what are your interests, like reading, shopping?
Reading for sure. I love reading. Movies, obviously. I love movies, all kinds of movies in any language, in any package, in any genre, with any actors. I love movies.
Okay, so tell me, Bollywood or Hollywood?
Bollywood for me. Because I grew up on Bollywood movies, I watched that a lot. And actually, my interest in Hollywood is very recent. I would say in the last probably 5-6 years, I got more and more interested in what was happening, beyond Bollywood. But I always loved Bollywood movies. And it's also, when you see, I feel like I grew up with Bollywood. And at the same time, I see the change in Bollywood from when I was a kid till now. And I think that's also incredible. I mean, there are a lot of good movies being made, good stories being told. So I think there's a definite. I'm a Bollywood kid.
Okay, that's amazing. Okay, so now let's play a small rapid fire.
Okay.
Okay, so Shah Rukh or Salman?
Shah Rukh.
Okay, Ranbir or Ranveer?
Ranbir.
Alia or Deepika?
Deepika.
Why?
Why? Deepika is hot, man.
Okay.
I'm not a man, but I'm not blind.
Hollywood or Bollywood? Obviously now you'll say Bollywood. I know. Then morning person or night?
Morning.
Morning.
Yeah, I wake up at like 6-7.
Okay. So how you start your day?
How I start my day? I usually work out in the morning. I try to work out before eating or before having breakfast, but sometimes that's really tough. You really need to push yourself. But yeah, usually I love my workout. I love my dancing. So yeah, I usually start that way.
Okay, that's amazing. So you get time to to do all this thing after your rehearsals, your yoga and all. So don't it become a very tiring day for you sometimes?
As I said, I'm that bunny.
Oh, yeah.
So I really don't have any problems when it comes to energy. I have loads of it. All I need is that outlet to actually, get that energy out somewhere.
That's amazing. Okay, so tell me your favorite holiday destination, what it would be, where you want to go.
That's a good question because I have loads of them. I have like a bucket list. At this moment, I don't know why I'm really fascinated with Iceland, because I've seen that, those story pick lists of amazing places, and I saw some pictures of Iceland, and all of a sudden I was like, this doesn't look real. It looks like Photoshop. It probably was, but I still found it pretty.
Okay, so any weird moment happened with you, after you did 2 movies? I know it is very difficult, but any star moment or this thing happened with you? Weird incident.
Weird incident. I'm thinking. Actually, this was not during. I was shooting for an ad or something, and this weird thing happened. Someone was supposed to kidnap me from the road. So there's a car passing, but I think they didn't have the permission to shoot there. So there's a car passing, and they just pulled my arm and took me in the car. That was the scene. That was what was supposed to happen, and somebody called the cops because they thought that I was kidnapped. So that was quite weird and funny.
Actually, it's funny. Okay, so these days, as you know, digital platform is very important for whatever socialization. So, how digitally active are you?
I'm very active. I don't. I'll be honest. I don't always enjoy it. I'm not a very selfie kind of person. And I'm not very self-obsessed as a person. So I don't always understand how to use it, and I'm also very shy and private with my thoughts and my feelings and whatever it is. So I really don't. I think it's a great platform, but I think I'm still discovering how to use it, as in, because I don't feel like anybody. If I say today I ate pasta, who cares? I feel like कौन जानना चाहता है ये सब? So that's why I think I'm a little confused as to how to make good use of it.
Okay, so which one movie you saw, Rais or Kabul?
Rais?
You don't like Siddiq?
No, I didn't say that, but I haven't seen Kabul yet.
Okay, so what is in pipeline? You know, jate one last question I want to ask.
Well, I think there's this one art that an actor probably develops more than acting. It's patience. So I'm just patiently waiting for something as amazing as Irada.
Okay, so what do you want to say for our viewers, Irada?
17th Feb, please come watch the film. It's an amazing film, and watch it for the content. It's an amazing story, and it has Mr. Nasruddin Shah. What else do you need?
Yes, that's true. Okay, nice to meeting you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.